Ase kigambiro ekene kya kisiroko tabu ase abawakiri mwasubitu koria rero bagendete amono Obochori kochora umwakilishi wabakuru asor gongorwa South West-Kisii obu bagendete chinga kichiga korengana amono muteneni waboni kanyako bagakoneke buna Obochori obu nigo bagendete bwana nigo Omochori ogusoyira kunyako bakobwa ase Obochori obu arachi kunyako bagakwira libaga erio nabo gokobanganere umuteneni kuru asor gongo oru katotigarite asensemejo nigo ekiombe ky'abawakiri banyako babagosimeka emete kuna inchire ya moyo goikerania iganga ye serikali enene yokoenike buna Kenya ni kunyako bakegosimeka emete korengana amobna umuraibense anyate ko bagakuboria boigo ni ganyako bagakwera buna mo nachi ebina omonene muskimata kome ni garach kunyako bakagocha asor gongorwa gusi aboiko kurigeria amangana amange korengana amone lichiko abu asa bantu banyako bakuburi buna ebina ebike banyako bakwanike buna ngo bikorera bari asinga cyabo aboiko tari kubira ase kigambiro bamagwisane kabuna ebini byanyako bikogambwa.
My name is Nyambati Gideon. I'm the current chair of Southwest branch of L.S.K. Today we had set aside this particular day to enable the advocates to go to the bulls to erect their readers for 2024-2026. As you are able to see, behind us we have the polling center for Kisii chapter where members still voting. We started the exercise around 8:30 in the morning. It will go up to around 5 when we cross. Once upon we cross, we'll be able to tally and give out the result. We have 3 polling centers, one in Migori High Court and another one in Homa Bay High Court. So both centers or polling centers run concurrently until around 5 when we start counting the votes cast, and we'll be able now to erect their new readers. This is in line with the provisions of the L.S.K Act 2014 together with the regulations 2022. The positions being contested for today are the position of the chair, somebody who takes over from me, the vice chair, the organizing secretary, the treasurer, the secretary general, the Kisii representative, Kisii chapter representative. We have 2 positions.
Munyakiro gogo Rosaki wa Southwest na itugoria rero twabwate ase koti gaiga lituko lyabege twasobosemye abantu igoro yoburimo amona amasingira na binde byonse bibwate kaine itugeriga lyabege tule committee tokuge research committee ili kuwork together ne amone judiciary kurigeri nga kitoranyara okonya abantu ase bina biro bitegerera buwangu na asengererio botegerera bina buwangu ntubwenetera into bosume kanone mete asengera yo korokinga amasingira n'amayari so aseri tugoria rero tuwakorire umuyego iyo tuwasumekere pake mete nga yabegetwe lakini negendera se kibikibire kigocha ase wiki kibire to identify register wange kominemo ase mete ko basumekwa na anto barangeri moja ko witness na musumeke ine kireyemo yo ko okuro kia bantu nga ekut dali bino kyaga kora neta kire kore tumune L.S.K igo togo part na ne court aso kore interview na ata stakeholders bari bataye ase the committee ye to invite to county commissioner to invite to governor, county commander, members of L.S.K prisons mo barabarenga na isauria amachiko to akonyargo to mondo byense ko invite governor nege ko gro muchachi achi tororo ati kumo kadi yo kumo invite next is kenkegende da siki wikibere na taresto mutino gatano CJ umonene mata kome na karibu songo gaiga asuja kuigure a conference irabe Camelback na endi na acha sumeke imete gege koti ne kisemo chinde asenjira ye moyo wikira ni mu rubero